What's going on, guys? So right over here you can see there's volume is not working. It shows 0 audio volume, as you can see here. So to fix it, we're gonna start by taking off the battery cover of the Mach E. Very simple, just a few clips. I start on the battery side and I work myself on one side and just slow and steady wins the race on this one. You don't want to yank it out where the clip breaks, so just take your time, get a feel for it. And after you take that out, you're gonna see the battery axis to your right, and all you gotta do is take out the negative battery. You do want to have a 10mm socket with an extension, or unless you have a 10mm deep socket, then you're fine. Right over here, we're just gonna take out the negative. I'm gonna have this cloth over here. Now what we're gonna do is just lefty loosey. And once we see the cable's loose, but once we unscrew this, you do not need to untouch this. We just kind of tug it up. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna let me just give me a second. I have like a rag over here handy, just because there's not enough room. You don't want any metal, so just have like a rag or a towel. So after disconnecting it, I disconnect for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we can just do vice versa. Just, you know, put it down, push it down on it, and then we're gonna tighten it with a 10mm ball, and then we should be good to go. One thing I want to mention actually is that have the car keys with you, because right over here I couldn't open my door, so I had to unlock it with my key fob. Beautiful. So you gotta disconnect the battery. Leave it for like a minute or two, and then reconnect it. As you can see, you can hear the audio, but obviously everything got reset. Let me go AM. Oh no, everything, all the settings are back. So if I go here, I'm gonna play music because of copyright issues, but I'm gonna put this little podcast on. But now, as you can see, it works. But before, obviously, turn the knob and it shows 0 audio, not even minimum, just audio. But now it works. So disconnect the battery, or the clip, the cover battery, unclip it, I should say. Take out the battery with a 10mm socket and leave it there for a couple minutes. Reconnect it. Turn on the car and you should be good to go. It worked for me. Hopefully it works for you. Hopefully this video helps you guys out. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later.